The process of becoming a new Fisher Investments private client typically takes between 2 and 4 weeks. Our goal with the onboarding process is to make it as easy and as straightforward for new Fisher clients as we possibly can. You know, the process of hiring an investment advisor can be a big, scary one. It's a lot of responsibility and a lot of trust that our clients are handing over to us. And we believe that our very hands-on approach gives clients the level of comfort in order to move forward confidently in their decision. We're going to handle as much of the paperwork as we possibly can. We're going to provide operational support. Their investment counselor is responsible for understanding their full financial situation and understanding how their personal and financial situation may change and evolve over time. They're also responsible for keeping the client educated on the markets, our portfolio, and making sure the client's questions are answered and that they're comfortable with our approach. They also have access to our whole range of client programs where we offer in-person opportunities for education, for updates on the portfolio and the markets, and the opportunity to ask questions. As well, we provide a full range of research and commentary for keeping the client educated on the markets, our portfolio, and making sure the client's questions are answered and that they're comfortable with our approach.